there's one thing that crosses everyone's mind while binge watching Korean drama, is how in the world did these Korean girls have such impeccable skin? What's the secret of their porcelain skin? While the world wonders, Koreans continue to be on their best beauty game. But it doesn't come easy to them as well. In today's video, we're going to let you all know those amazing beauty secrets that the Korean women follow. But before we move forward, if you like our videos and content and don't want to miss out on any of them, hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon. Korean people pay a lot of attention to their skincare routine, diet, beauty products, and more to keep their skin well maintained and flawless. Women are groomed since childhood with beauty know-how and skincare hacks passed on from generations. If you've been wondering what Korean women do and how they do it to get that glowing and youthful skin even in their golden years, we have just the answer for you. We managed to dig out some well-kept Korean beauty secrets that can help you to turn your skin from dull and blah to enviably beautiful and gorgeous. Let's move on with our video and have a look at those surprising hacks. Steamy Shower. Steams and facial massage can revive and repair your skin, and Koreans know it all too well. They pamper themselves with a quick DIY facial every morning in a steamy shower. While steam opens pores and helps clear any dirt and grime settled in them, massaging your damp skin ensures younger looking and glowing skin. Take steamy showers and massage your face and neck while in the shower to get dewy and healthy skin. Massage with your fingertips in a circular motion and upward direction for about 5 to 7 minutes, and use an oil cleanser or an essence for extra benefits and hydration. The key is tea. Koreans love their cup of tea, and not just for its taste, but for umpteen skin and health benefits. These beauty teas include ginseng tea, roasted barley tea, and green tea to name a few. They are rich in antioxidants and fight acne and other pesky skin issues, which help them to have clear and radiant skin as ever. These brewed drinks are also good for weight loss and blood circulation, which further contributes to their youthful beauty. A cup of any of these teas on a daily basis can give you a healthy glow and spotless skin with time. Facial exercises. If we have learnt anything about Korean women and their devotion to their skin, is that they would do anything and everything to get it perfect and toned. The most striking feature of Korean women is their V-shaped jawline, and this is a result of a face workout. Yes, they practice brief mouth stretches to keep their skin firm and bright. Face exercises like puckering lips and moving sideways, saying vowels out loud in an exaggerated way, smiling, and swallowing with your chin up help lift droopy and saggy skin and tighten it. The trust on charcoal. We know charcoal as a miracle ingredient for clear skin, and we trust it blindly for getting rid of those annoying blackheads. But did you know Koreans were the ones who introduced and single-handedly popularized the charcoal face mask? Started as a Korean beauty trend, charcoal masks are now everywhere. It exfoliates skin and nicks the blackheads and whiteheads in one go. They rely on charcoal sheet masks or prepare a DIY face mask with activated charcoal and other natural ingredients to make their own blackhead clearing mask, and thus have the skin we all envy. Tap all the way. The right way to apply your skincare products is as important as the quality of them. Thus, the women in Korea make sure they get the added benefits from the products by slathering them on right. They do not smack their moisturizers and serums and rub it on. Rather, they dot the product or rub it on their fingertips to warm it up and then apply all over their face in a circular motion. They tap their face after to lightly massage, as they believe that by doing this, the product absorbs better and gives extra beauty benefits. They also tap their toner with their hands instead of swiping it on their face for better absorption. Damp cloth exfoliation. Koreans have taken exfoliation a step further and thus flaunt better skin than most of us. A quick and effective skincare hack that they swear by is to use soft cloth dipped in warm water to scrub their face. This is gentle on their skin and gets the job done just fine. It gets the dirt and oil on the knobby cloth and makes your skin clearer and brighter in minutes. Also, this helps keeping wrinkles and fine lines away. Soak a cotton cloth in hot water and squeeze the water out. Gently swipe it across the face in an upward motion to exfoliate your face. Keep the neck long. Ask any Korean and they will tell you the secret to look flawless from head to toe is to take care of your skin from head to toe. Korean women take their skincare very seriously and won't miss out on any spot to be wrinkly or saggy. They take equal care of their neck as they do for their face. There's one thing we all absolutely need to learn from them. They slather on neck cream and massage their neck area in an upward motion to keep it as young looking and smooth as their face. Because, well, what's the point of having a radiant and flawless face when you have a wrinkly and a dull neck under it, right? Hydration. Is your skin dry? on the inside? That's one thing that our Korean counterparts make it their mission to avoid. It doesn't matter what your skin type is, oily, dry, or sensitive, but if it is dry on the inside, it won't function at its best. When you're dehydrated, your melanocytes stay more activated, and thus brightening ingredients may not work as well to reduce dark spots. It can also trigger an inflammatory response during which the hormone CRH is released, triggering more sebum production and breakouts. Hydration is the foundation to skin health. To ensure skin is hydrated from the inside out, incorporate plenty of humectants in your skincare regime, as these absorb into your skin and help bind moisture in. Double dosing. If you want maximum skin benefits, you need to maximize your efforts as well. Korean beauty advocates double dose of skincare products to seal the benefits and preserve the skin's health. This is why Korean women live by the rule of double cleansing, a double eye mask and double hydration in their skincare regimen. The step cleansing method includes a foaming face wash, followed by an oil-based cleanser. This clears the skin of every last bit of makeup and dirt from face. They also use double eye masks to target crow's feet and fine lines. For their hydration need too, they swear by a lightweight, water-based moisturizer and a rich creamier lotion to give an extra boost of hydration to the skin. This ensures locking the moisture in the skin, which results in soft and smooth, younger-looking skin. Overnight mask. Your skin goes into recovery mode at night, and that's the time it rejuvenates and does all the repairing work. It repairs skin cells, boosts collagen, and revitalizes skin when you are asleep. This is the reason Korean women take their beauty and sleep very seriously. Not only that, they also almost never go to bed without a moisturizing overnight mask on. It helps retain and lock the lost moisture in the skin and make it look brighter and fresh in the morning. It also fights aging signs and dullness and gives you a brighter complexion when you wake up the next morning. These 10 tips can result in glowing skin, giving you the chance to experience the Korean beauty. Korean women are a big fan of the no makeup look, and thus, these uncovered secrets and tips are the routine they follow to get that shiny glow. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with us till we get back to you all with yet another amazing video of the wonderful facts leading a step of a healthier life.